Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A video streaming service charges a one-time setup fee plus a monthly subscription. In month 1, the total cost is $25. In month 3, the total cost is $55. In month 6, the total cost is $100. Determine the monthly fee, which is the slope, the one-time setup cost, which is the y-intercept, and write a linear function c of m for the total cost after m months. What is the total cost after 1 year? Now, let us work through the solution step by step. We have 3 data points. Month 1 costs $25, month 3 costs $55, and month 6 costs $100. Since there is a fixed setup fee plus a constant monthly charge, we expect a linear relationship between months and total cost, written as c of m equals r times m plus b. To find the monthly fee, we calculate the slope using 2 of our points. Taking month 1 at $25 and month 3 at $55 gives us 55 minus 25 over 3 minus 1, which equals 30 divided by 2, or 15. We verify this with months 3 and 6. 100 minus 55 over 6 minus 3 is 45 divided by 3, also 15. The monthly fee is $15 per month. Now we find the setup fee by substituting the slope of 15 and the point month 1 cost 25 into c equals r times m plus b. We get 25 equals 15 times 1 plus b, so b equals 25 minus 15, which is 10. The one-time setup fee is $10. Putting it all together, the linear function is c of m equals 15 meters plus 10. The slope 15 represents the monthly fee and 10 is the fixed setup cost. We verify all 3 original data points and each one checks out perfectly. Here is the graph of c of m equals 15 meters plus 10. The line starts at the y-intercept of $10, representing the setup fee, and rises at $15 per month. The 3 given data points at months 1, 3, and 6 all land exactly on the line. The point at month 12 shows the total 1-year cost of $190. For the total cost after 1 year, we substitute m equals 12 into our function. C of 12 equals 15 times 12 plus 10, which is 180 plus 10, equaling $190. The total cost after 1 full year is $190. To summarize, the monthly subscription fee is $15, the one-time setup fee is $10, the linear function is c of m equals 15 meters plus 10, and the total cost after 1 full year, 12 months, is $190. This is linear because every additional month adds exactly $15 to the total. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.